In the heart of India, where a jungle whispers ancient secrets, a vibrant forest stands. Home to the majestic beast that gave it its name, Pench Tiger Reserve is also home to a plethora of interesting wildlife. It is here, at the very heart of nature, that a digital revolution is underway. This is M-Stripe, breathing new life into traditional patrol practice. Here, routine patrolling transforms into real-time strategy, mapped out across the bits and bytes of a digital Pench landscape. It is the Forest Guardian's essential tool, conservation with cutting-edge technology. Precious moments captured where every last detail counts. Each data point is verified by a range forest officer, supporting greater accuracy and accountability within the system. M-Stripe, empowering conservationists and protecting our forests one step at a time. Camera traps are the watchers of the realm, witness to what remains unseen by the human eye. This is precious data. It helps shape our understanding of these elusive beings, leading to better strategies for their protection. It led to the first reporting of the Eurasian otter and leopard cat in Pench, Maharashtra. Pench has the distinction of being the first reserve in India to accommodate wildlife mitigation measures in the form of underpasses. Under a stretch of National Highway 44 with high animal use, along the length and breadth of Pench, and complementing the work of the camera traps is a soundless network of eyes. CCTV systems guard vital wildlife corridors, keeping constant vigil and alerting the rangers to the slightest disturbance. This is also valuable data when studying wildlife behavior. In the season of dry winds, even a seemingly irrelevant spark could spell disaster. But Fire Vigilante of Pench's fire monitoring unit makes sure that even the first whispers of smoke are met with swift action. In the fire control room, a dedicated team monitors calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They coordinate with local firefighting units, dispatch resources to critical hotspots, and share detailed information such as fire behavior, terrain, and weather conditions. Pench's waterholes are at the heart of this jungle storybook, and keeping them alive is vital to the health of its main characters. Solar-powered pumps have come to the rescue, refilling these life springs so that even at the height of the summer, no one goes thirsty. Waterholes are regularly patrolled and cleaned, and the water checked for potential danger from poisoning by villagers and poachers. Under the gaze of a full moon, Pench's guardians patrolled tirelessly, their vigilance perhaps matched only by the technology that serves them. Even under cover of darkness, nothing escapes their notice. From digital frontier to forest floor, the guardians of Pench are on a ceaseless mission to ensure that every corner of this wild space is protected. Deep in the forest, where plants and animals are thriving, something significant happens every day. Forest guards walk quietly through the trees, checking that everything and everyone is safe and healthy. For these forest guards, this isn't just any job. It is akin to a pledge to one's own family. The familiar trails, markings, scents and sounds, their home away from home. Often, a ranger might choose 4 wheels over 2 legs. This helps them navigate the rough terrain quicker. Their keen eye and deep connection with the land is a recognition of the essential role that rangers play as stewards of this landscape. On the quiet waters of the Pench Reservoir, rangers patrol by boat, while more rangers traverse the submerged edges on foot. They are on the lookout for illegal fishing, something that could destroy the balance of aquatic life that thrives beneath the surface of the lake. Their presence here is a deterrent. Elsewhere, in some of the quieter corners of the Pench Reservoir, protection huts stand, silent sentinels on constant lookout for suspicious activity. Rangers are trained to read the landscape for telltale signs left behind from illegal fishing activities. A combination of strategy, skill, and dedication ensures many a successful ending and yet another win for conservation. As dawn breaks over Pench, it appears that all is not well. When the delicate balance of the forest is threatened, rapid response teams stand at the ready. Pench employs a sophisticated 3-tier system designed to address conflict between man and animal with escalating precision. From the primary response teams stationed at villages and the quick response teams at range level, each layer is tailored to respond with increasing urgency. Conflict often arises in shared spaces between man and the wild. With 39 villages located in the buffer and over 50 in the adjoining territorial forest, combined with a thriving tiger population, man-animal encounters are inevitable. Encroachment and grazing further complicate the situation, as does human dependence on forest resources. And Pench's 3-tiered system has emerged over time to manage and mitigate just such thorny encounters. However, prompt information gathering, deploying skilled personnel, and more importantly, involving the community form the backbone of a strategy aimed at diffusing just such situations. The Rapid Rescue Team coordinates closely with the Primary Response Team, ensuring their timely arrival at a scene. Between our human and more than human world, the Pench region stands out as a shining example of cooperation and resilience. This is Pench's Rapid Rescue Team, and as their name suggests, they respond swiftly to emergencies involving injured or stranded animals in the forest. Equipped with specialized gear, they sometimes navigate challenging terrain in order to reach an animal in distress. The team uses tranquilizers and transport cages to safely capture and relocate an animal for timely veterinary care. The rescue, treatment, and subsequent successful release back into the wild of tiger T53, popularly known as Raja, under the supervision of the Pench Field Director, is a fine example of the critical role of the Rapid Rescue Team. Not all threats are visible, like snares, for example. The anti-snare drive is sweeping the underbush for deadly traps set by poachers, thereby saving unsuspecting wildlife from a cruel fate. In the midst of nature's tranquility lie quiet dangers. like electricity. But a valiant effort is underway to mitigate the side effects of live wires in and around the reserve. Danger zones are mapped out with exacting precision. United in purpose, the defenders of the wild embark on joint patrols, a collaborative effort to safeguard both wildlife and infrastructure. Through meticulous planning, collaboration, and technological innovation, the menace of electrocution is met head-on, paving a safer passage for wildlife having to navigate human infrastructure. Unity is also strength, and joint patrols with local police and community representatives exemplify collaborative conservation, fostering stewardship in the safekeeping of Pench. In Pench Tiger Reserve, the field director and the district superintendent of police are conducting a thorough review of the protection measures implemented by both the police and the forest staff. Their goal is to ensure the safety and preservation of the tigers in the forest range. As they assess current strategies, they also discuss areas requiring increased vigilance and collaboration. Collaboration and teamwork are at the heart of the daily wins, little and big, in this vibrant tapestry of life that is Pench Tiger Reserve.